It's a 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. This SUV pulls ahead of the pack with its cargo capability, safety measures, and horsepower. And since it's a hybrid, you'll be even further out in front. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear camera parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.